In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images in Miro using every available method. So no matter how you like to work, you'll know the fastest and easiest way to get images onto your board. Images are a huge part of visual collaboration in Miro, whether you're creating wireframes, mood boards, diagrams, presentations, or brainstorming with your team. We'll go step by step through all the options, from drag and drop to built-in stock images. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Miro board where you want to add the image. Make sure the board is fully loaded and you have editing access. The fastest and most common method is drag and drop. Simply open the folder on your computer where your image is saved, click and hold the image file, then drag it directly onto the Miro board and release. That's it. The image will instantly appear on your board, and you can resize it, rotate it, or move it anywhere you like. This method is perfect when you already have images saved locally and want to work quickly. Next, let's look at using the Upload tool. On the left-hand toolbar in Miro, click the Upload icon, which looks like an arrow pointing up. From the menu, choose My Device. This will open your computer's file picker. Navigate to the image you want, select it, and click Open. Miro will upload the image and place it on your board. This method is useful if you prefer browsing your files instead of dragging them, or if drag and drop isn't working on your system. Another very convenient method is copy and paste. If you already have an image open in your browser, on your desktop, or in another app, simply copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Then go back to your Miro board and paste it using Ctrl+V or Command+V. The image will appear instantly on the board. This is especially helpful when you're collecting inspiration from websites or documents and want to add images quickly without downloading files. Now let's talk about adding images using an image URL. On the left toolbar, click the plus icon for more apps. From there, select Upload and then choose the option to upload via URL. Paste the direct link to an image file and confirm. Miro will fetch the image from the link and add it directly to your board. This works best when you have a direct image link ending in something like .jpeg or .png, and it's great for online assets. Finally, Miro also has a built-in image library. Click on the Apps menu or search for Images or Unsplash. This allows you to search for high-quality stock photos directly inside Miro without leaving the board. Type in a keyword, browse the results, and click an image to insert it instantly. This is perfect for mood boards, presentations, and visual planning. And that's it. You now know all the different ways to add images in Miro, so you can choose the method that fits your workflow best. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Miro tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.